Next several days. For the rest of the week and even into the weekend, it's going to remain hot and mostly dry. There'll be a few spotty showers and storms that we'll be tracking for the next couple of afternoons. But as far as any widespread beneficial rain, that's not going to happen. A couple of waves that we're watching: a newly formed tropical depression, which will likely become Tropical Storm Gabrielle here over the next few days. But that looks like it's actually going to stay out into the Atlantic. Next week, we're watching weather patterns, and they may shift a little bit, which could translate into a little better chance for at least some widely scattered storms here at home. Again, that would be toward the early and middle part of next week. But here's the latest on Tropical Depression number 7. There's where it's located right now. It's moving west currently, but expected to move more northwest. Eventually, looks like toward the end of the forecast period, National Hurricane Center has it coming up to a Category 1 hurricane. But bottom line is it's going to be staying away from the eastern seaboard as it will likely recurve. So most spots dry again today. A spotty shower with thunderstorm possible this afternoon into tonight, and then more of the same really on Thursday as well, with those temps back up into the low and mid 90s. High school football on Friday. It's going to be hot during the day. It'll still be very warm at that 7 o'clock kick, but then temperatures should start to drop to about 80 degrees toward halftime. And then heading into the weekend, not a lot of home games. JSU is at home. We'll be cooking in the afternoon with those low 90s and some spotty afternoon storms, but then that 6 o'clock kickoff at Jack State will be in the 80s at 6 and then dropping into the 70s. So it should be pretty comfortable. Saturday and Sunday with maybe a little more humidity. Temps may come down a bit. It's still going to be hot this weekend. About a 20% chance that we could see a couple of spotty showers or thunderstorms. Monday is the official start of fall, and this is when we're going to be watching for this upper level system. If this does indeed dive as far south as this indicates, that could translate into a few additional showers and thunderstorms, especially toward the middle of next week. Back to you.